Alright guys, so I just got hit up for add font, and it's a very interesting question. It's a good question to ask. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Google Fonts. Just here, we can click on Google Fonts. I will copy that and send it to her. From here, mate. Okay, so we've we'll go over to Google Fonts. So we're just going to use it looks all good. Looks all good. So we're just going to pinch something headerish. That'll do. So we'll add that to collection. We'll go down to use, and then we simply click whichever one you want. I mean, you might want Playfair, and we might go bold 700. Get rid of that, and then we go to. It's going to be like that as soon as you go there. You want to go to at import, and we will copy that. Alright. We head over here and we go. So we simply copy that, we stick it just underneath, or just before the body. And then we call our font, which is this one. And we head down here to our link attribute. And oh my god, things are turning to shit really fast here. And there we go, we've pulled our link across. And that's how you do your font family. Another way you can do it is if you had font on your computer, hypothetically, say, like if you need fonts, man, I can give you fonts, yeah? And as you can see, I've got like tons and tons and tons and tons of font. So what we would do is we'd simply grab that, we would open in, if it's going to be nice to me, show in Finder, we would then copy that, we would go back to our applications after we close that, of course, and we head down to our MAMP, which is our server. In here somewhere I've got font, there it is, and we'll just paste that in there. So another way we can do this is and then we simply grab that and we call. So now we can just come down here and where it says font family, as I just did a second ago, now we just change that to Tricky As. And when we refresh, you will see that it changes to that, see? So there's two ways of doing it. I'll just undo that, go up here, and I will take that out, and I'll just leave it as that. So, and to give padding, we could move it across another 10 pixels apart from each other. As you can see, there's a space between. But as that space goes between, we need to change our where it's sitting, see? So we need to come back across, where are we? Here we are. At the start, I've put a class at the beginning just here. Because it's at the beginning, it'll push everything. It's just laziness, really. So we'll change that to 25%, and that'll bring all of this across just a little bit. As you can see, it needs to come across just a fraction more. So we'll say 23. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. And what else should we do? If you want to do a hover, we could go and copy all of that, and just behind the A, you don't want to put a space, you want to just put those two little dots and then put the word hover. We will delete all of that, and we will put in, say, color, red, background, color, I don't know, pink. Okay, and we need to do a width of, say, 50, 60, I'd say 60 pixels. Let's just go and have a look at that. Right? So now when we hover over the top, as you can see, now to make that even on both sides, we need to add padding on both ends. And as you can see, it sits nicely, right? Again, we need to play with our width up here, and we're going to change that to 18, I think. Yeah, beautiful. So as you can see, we've got that working nicely. We could give a height of 40 wherever we are. Height of 40. We'll give a box shadow just to show you this concept, and we're going to make that inset, and we're going to go 0px, 0px. That means there's no angles. I'll explain this in another movie. And then we'll go 8px, and we'll go white. Because I'm using pink, white's just going to pop that. And we could even give a border radius of, say, 5%. So as you can see, let's just pop that nicely. See how it pops that writing? Gee, that looks hot. So yeah, there's a few ways of doing it. I think that's pretty cool. Alright, what else did I need to cover? Can I use font? Okay, hang on. I'm not seeing navigation bar. How do I space the links further apart, enlarge the text and change the font? I looked at floating, but not sure if that's right. Alright, so we're finished, man. That's pretty much it done. Okay, I will show you this code just one more time. There's our font import. This is our font family that we're calling. This is your spacing between the links. So that's top, right, bottom, left, or I don't know whether it's, yeah. That and that are the sides, and these are top and bottom, okay? Your line height will bring the bottom of your pixels up. Because you've only got 40 pixels in your navigation, we can only go 10. There's your font family. There's your font size. And yeah, hopefully that helps, man. Alright, peace out, and I'll talk to you all in the future.